Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sephora Play Box for November and December. And of course, I'm going to be including my monthly giveaway in this video for you guys. So I'm going to have two boxes. I'm going to unbox my box to show exactly what I got in mine and what you could possibly get in yours. And at the very end, I'll let you guys know exactly how to enter. So if you do want to see what we got in November and December's Sephora Play Box and how to enter, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have 4 boxes in front of me, 2 for me, 2 for you guys. So I am going to be unboxing the November and December's box. So this time around, one lucky winner will win 2 boxes. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what I got in mine and what you could possibly get in yours. And I am just waiting on January's box, and that'll be in a totally separate video for you guys. So yeah, let's just unbox these bad boys and see what's inside. So I'm going to just open November's first. And that's what it looks like inside. So the first thing I do see is the 50 extra points that Sephora adds in every single box. So they give you 50 extra points to put on your account at Sephora, so it's just an added bonus. So that's really nice because usually 50 points will equal $50 that you have to spend there. In this case, you just get 50 points for having this box, so I think that's pretty awesome. And that is what the bag looks like. Okay, so the first product I see is a Marc Jacobs, and I believe this is a mascara. Yes, it's the Velvet Mascara. So that's what that looks like. I already have it in my collection. I think I still have it, and I really do like it. It works really nicely, especially for my top lashes. The only thing is I don't like to use it on my bottom lashes as much as my top lashes, because for me, it does smudge a little bit underneath, and I don't like that look. I don't like that like raccoony look or anything like that. So this is more for my top lashes, and especially in the summertime. I definitely stay away from the lower lashes, but otherwise that I really do like this mascara. And everybody's eyes will be a little bit different. I just have really small eyes, so that's probably one of the reasons why it doesn't work very well for me. And I'm going to show you what the applicator looks like. Usually I wouldn't want to open it just because once you open it, you don't have much time to use it up, because once the air hits it, it dries it out pretty fast. But I really wanted to show you this applicator because I really love how it is. So that's what the applicator looks like, and it's very unique. So I really like this applicator. It's very unique. I have seen very similar applicators like this, but those don't work as well on my lashes versus this one. I'm not really sure if it's because the bristles are a little bit different, but this one is just really nice. It's really good for curling and defining your lashes. And usually if I need a little more volume or a little more oomph to my lashes, I'll use the tip of the applicator and I'll kind of just try to curl it up a little bit more. It looks really nice on your lashes. I really like this one, so I'm glad they added this one in here. Next up is this IGK. So it's a hydrating hair balm. That's what that looks like. So let's see if it has a smell. Oh, I really like that. It smells like coconut. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but it does look like it's a thicker balm. Ooh, I really like that. Okay, so it's actually not too thick at all. It smells really, really good. It smells like coconut and vanilla almost. So it feels really nice. So it's not super thick, and it feels very hydrating. Like my hand just looks really hydrated now. Now this is for your hair, but I just want to show you the difference. It just feels very nice and light, almost like silky smooth. I really like this. When I put this in my hair, just use a very little amount, maybe like rub your hands together and apply it to your hair. It is not super balmy, which is good because you don't want it to weigh your hair down and you don't want it to be greasy afterwards. I will definitely try it out and let you guys know how it works out, but my hand feels super, super smooth. Like I just wish they would have this in like a body lotion or something, because it smells really good and it's very hydrating. So next up is this Perricone MD, and this is a hydrating cloud cream. Ooh. So that's what that looks like. So it's just a really nice cream. It looks like it's on the thicker side. It feels really, really nice. So it is a hydrating face cream, and Perricone MD is an expensive brand, so I'm really excited to try this out. I'm all about hydrating the skin, anti-aging, and all of that, especially now that we are in winter. Where I am, it's like basically below 9 degrees, and it is super, super cold. So my skin needs all the help it can get, especially because I have very dry skin, especially around this time of year. It feels really hydrating, but I'm gonna have to try it out and see how it goes to really know how it really works. But at first impression, it is really nice. I like that it doesn't have a smell, so if you are sensitive to smell, this shouldn't bother you because it doesn't seem to have one. And because they are more of a higher end brand, anytime I can try them out is always amazing. And this is also for the neck and face, so I'm gonna try it on my neck and my face and tell you how it goes. Okay, so next up is this Origins Clear Improvement. Now this is active coal mask. So that's what that looks like. So that's what it looks like. So it's a charcoal mask, so it's gonna take all your impurities out. It's gonna really detox your skin, and it's supposed to leave your skin really nice and supple afterwards. So I am gonna test it out and see how it goes. I feel like I have tried this before, but I just can't remember if I got a sample of it before or not, because I have used a lot of charcoal masks in the past. I just can't remember if this was one of them, but usually it clears out your pores. So if you have bigger pores, that's really good to use like once or twice a week. If you have acne prone skin, it's really good. If you just want to detox your skin, it's really good. For a monthly subscription, this is actually like a really good size. It's 1/4 ounces because you only need a little bit at once anyway. So this should last me a little while, especially if you're using it like once or twice a week. This will definitely last. And Origins is a more all natural brand, so if you're into like the more all natural stuff, this is definitely one that probably would be up your alley because they are geared towards more all natural. They leave out like fillers and preservatives and dyes and fragrance and things like that. So the next product is this Sephora, and this is a lip gloss. So that's what that looks like, and it's actually just a really pretty color. I don't know if I could open this because they sealed it, but I have tried a lot of Sephora products lately, especially because they include it in their monthly boxes, and I have to tell you, a lot of this stuff is really good. Some of it is hit or miss with the colors for me, but other ones are just like really good. They're very universal shades, and I have discovered that I just really like some of their products in their brand. Like their eyeliners, they are just really good, especially the waterproof ones. They last all day, they stay in your waterline, they don't smudge. They're just really good, and they have so many different shades. So let me just swatch this for you guys because this is just a really pretty color. Can you guys see that? That's just really gorgeous. It's like almost like a nudie pink. I just absolutely love it. This will definitely go with like a lot of my lip liners or even over a lipstick if you just love that like natural nude lip. And it is more on like the pinky nude side, so it's not one that's probably gonna wash you out, just depending. This is actually one that's gonna actually make your lips look very nice and juicy and plump and beautiful versus making them just disappear completely or not looking so cute. You know what I mean? When you get the lighter shades, sometimes it's a hit or miss, just depending. And it looks like it's very, very shiny, which I absolutely love. The last product that they have is this Burberry. It's called My Burberry Blush. I absolutely love this fragrance. I have tried it in the store and I just absolutely love and adore it. I actually was thinking of getting a bigger size of it, so I'm happy I got a sample for now just to tie me over for a little while. That's the sample size that they give you. So this is actually a bonus that they add into the boxes every single month, so it doesn't take away from the 5 products that they already add in here. It's just an added bonus just to see if you like this fragrance or not. So that's always a good way to test new fragrances out. It's very feminine, it's very playful, it's very light. I feel like it's fruity, and it's just really, really nice. So I definitely will be getting the big size very soon, but this will definitely tie me over in the meantime. And I am going to apply it because I just absolutely love the scent. Oh, it smells so good. That is November's box. Let's move on to December. And that's what December's box looks like. So you get another 50 extra points, so you get a total of 100 points to put on your Sephora account. So I think it's pretty awesome. And this is what December's bag looks like. It's very pretty. Okay, so the first thing I see is this Makeup Forever, and this is, I think, a lipstick. Ooh, it's a pretty shade too. So that's what the lipstick looks like. Really like this color. Oh my goodness. It's very pigmented and it's very creamy. So this is actually a really pretty color. I feel like it's very similar to like what I'm wearing right now. I don't know, right? I don't know, I just really love it. This might be a little more pinkier than what I'm wearing. It's very creamy. I do have some of their lipsticks already. I do really like them. Some of the shades are a little less wearable. I feel like this one's a little more wearable, and I really like that they are adding more wearable shades versus like a bright pink or a bright purple or a bright red that most of us are probably not going to wear on a daily basis or maybe at all. So I'm really excited to try this one out, and I definitely am going to wear this later. This is the It Confidence in a Cream. I already have this. So it's a nice whipped cream. So it feels really nice on the skin. It really hydrates the skin. I really like this. Sometimes I will use this more towards the night. So if you have dry skin, you'll absolutely love this. That's why I like it. I feel like it really hydrates my skin, and especially when I use it at night and use more of my heavier products, I just really like the combination. This is for all skin types, so anybody can use this. And I have to say, It Cosmetics has really been stepping up their game. I really like a lot of their newer products and their skincare line, and they even have a toner that I want to try. Like, I heard it was really good. So this is Bumble and Bumble Thickening Spray. It's a pre-styler. That's what that looks like. So I'm actually not going to be using this. I'm going to actually give it away in a giveaway. I don't use Bumble and Bumble products anymore. That's just my personal preference. There was actually a bad experience that I had with one of their products that totally turned me off. So I'm not actually going to try any of their products anymore. So if I ever get them in any of these boxes, I will either give it in a giveaway or just give it to somebody that I know or something like that. I just don't think they work for me, and because I had this bad experience, I don't want to try them anymore. And I actually just don't really know what the problem was. Maybe it was the ingredients in that particular product, or it's just my hair. Maybe it was just doing something to it. I don't know. But either way, I will not be trying this out, so I can't even tell you in a future video how it works out. So I don't know how this is going to work out for other people, but it does say spray pre-styler onto damp hair, then blow dry and style for a lift. So this would probably be good for somebody that has more thin hair, more fine hair. So yeah, it might be good for somebody else, just not for me. So next up is this Smashbox, and it is super small, but it's super cute. And it says Cover Shot Golden Hour Eye. So it's a shadow duo, and it's actually super cute. And I feel like that's enough product in here to definitely use. I want to see what this looks like. Ooh. Okay. I see you, Smashbox. I see you. It's actually really pretty. So what are they called? So one is called Turned On and one is called Psyched. I can't tell you which one is which. I'll link it down below. I'll let you guys know like the lighter shade and the darker shade. But it is just super pretty. It was very smooth. It is pigmented, so I really like that. And this is definitely something I will be wearing. I feel like if I go out on the weekend, I could actually take this, like put it in my bag and go. And you will have like a crease shade and an outer shade, and you will also have a lid shade. So you don't have to take with you like a ton of shadows. This will be perfect, and it's very universal because you could definitely build this up, I feel. This is definitely a color you could build up. Hold on. So if you want a little more dramatic look, do you see? It gets darker. And then over here, this definitely gets a little more brighter and vibrant. And this has a nice little shine to it. It almost has like an iridescence to it. So it has like a shift. Do you see that? It's very pretty. So this seems like it has a sheen to it, but you could still put it in your crease. There's no reason why you can't. And this is just so pretty. So I'm actually really excited to try this out. I might do a look with this tomorrow. Like, I'm super excited. Okay, so next up is this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So that's what that looks like. So I already have this in my collection. I'm not gonna open it. I'm actually gonna probably put it in an upcoming giveaway for you guys, just because I do have 2 of these, I believe, and I just don't want to open a third one or like keep it in my collection and it to go bad. So I'm gonna pass it on to you guys. So again, I don't use it on my lower lashes. I just use it on my top lashes. I find it works best that way, and it has a very similar brush to that Marc Jacobs mascara, but they work a little bit differently. And again, I think it's because of the bristles, but I definitely think someone will absolutely love and adore this, or it's a good one to try out. And last up is this Miss Dior, and this is the perfume. I don't believe I have this. It's very light. I definitely feel like it's a little more powdery. I don't hate it. I don't know if I like it. I would have to try it on my skin and see how it reacts to my skin. So that is everything in November and December's boxes. So that's everything that I got in mine and you could possibly get in yours. So now on to the giveaway rules. So to enter the giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel. So if you aren't already, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you love this giveaway and you want me to continue with it, please give this video a thumbs up and share it. Also, let me know in the comments what your favorite product is and what you're most excited to try out. And I am going to be using a Gleam link, so Gleam is going to keep track of everybody who's following the rules and who isn't, and that will be listed down below for you guys. And for extra entries, you can follow me on social media. I will link everything down below for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did like this video. I hope you guys do enter the giveaway. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Please come join our little YouTube family here. We love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.